Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about cardiac care to be taken during this lockdown. Sadly, the world is hit by a pandemic by coronavirus, and most of the regions in India are facing a lockdown. So it is important for the cardiac patients to take care of themselves during this lockdown. You cannot take it lightly. It is shown from the recent studies that coronavirus can affect hearts of even healthy people. Also, coronavirus and other influenza viruses and many other viruses can worsen the pre-existing cardiac conditions. Hence, it is very important for cardiac patients to take extra precautions. What are these extra precautions? First and foremost, during this pandemic, I would request all cardiac patients who already have heart disease, who have low ejection fraction, to stay at home. Give the responsibility of bringing the groceries and the essential goods to someone else in the family. Avoid crowded places. You avoid getting out from the home. Whenever you get out from the home, I want you to take complete precautions that you don't contact this virus, like wearing the mask, covering both nose and the face, up to below the chin. Wear caps if possible. Also, wear gloves and gloves if possible, and follow respiratory etiquettes. Like if you are coughing, you should cough. You should use a handkerchief or a mask or the inside of your arm, and not your hands, because that can spread the virus. Also, you can get the virus from people if there are fomites on their hands. So even for general population, it is good to follow good respiratory or cough etiquettes here, and not to sneeze or cough onto your hand or palm. So for these cardiac patients, non-cardiac patients, I would start with what to eat. With this lockdown in, people may end up having more of packaged foods and unhealthy foods. So it is better for cardiac patients, and in fact for everyone, to consume more of fresh fruits and vegetables rather than packaged foods. Home cooked food is the best. Try to use least amount of oil. Try to use healthy oils like rice bran oil or groundnut oil or olive oil as much as possible. Whatever the type of oil you're using, the amount of oil is very important. Use very small amount of oil in your food. Avoid highly salted foods like packaged processed food like wafers and other namkeens which are packaged outside. They contain a lot of salt, so not good for cardiac patients, and especially for those who have blood pressure. Second and very important part is for you people is to stock up your medicines. See, being cardiac patients, it's a chronic condition. So the type of tablets or the amount of tablets you are on is going to be the same for at least next 1 or 2 months, till the time you can see your doctor. So please stock up the medicine for at least 1 month or 2 months, the same medicines. You might face a problem getting the same brands as prescribed to you by your doctor. In that case, you talk to your doctor over phone. Uh, Try not to visit them if it is not very important, because even hospitals and clinics are a place where the coronavirus can be easily spread to others. So try to avoid going to the clinics of your doctors unless it is very important, urgent or emergency. So try to call your doctor and try to find alternatives for your medicine brand. So stock up your medicines. This is very important for cardiac patients as well as those who have diabetes and hypertension. So you cannot stop your tablets for diabetes and hypertension. That might land up in emergency, and you may land up in the hospital if you don't follow that. As I already described, good hand hygiene and respiratory etiquettes are very important. For cardiac patients, two things are very important now. Since you are on lockdown at home or on a self quarantine, you have to keep your body healthy by being active. There are two parts to that. One is meditation. So at least now you have enough of time, even if you are working from home or you are on a lockdown and not working at present. So you can uh, easily spare half an hour daily for a meditation. Uh, More important is the form of any form of yoga like pranayams. You can do pranayam, om vilom. Uh, Apart from that, you can also get to some exercise. So, you as a cardiac patient, every your doctor must be telling you should exercise this much. You have to walk half an hour per day, at least 5 days a week. So the amount of exercise depends on your cardiac condition. So it is individualized. This is not for all the cardiac patients. So also again call your doctor to what amount of exercise you can do and what kind of exercise you can do. Uh, Generally, which applies to all cardiac patients, I will tell you that you don't. You can. I cannot go outside the home, so I can't walk. Don't do that. Keep walking in your home, hall to kitchen, kitchen to hall, hall to one room to other room. At least keep active. See that you do at least 2000 steps, minimum 2000 steps a day. You can, some patients who have good ejection fraction, who have good healthy heart, they can also do push-ups or some abdominal exercises like abs, but with your doctor's advice. Let me tell you, all these instructions which I am giving uh, should not be taken as professional medical advice, because for cardiac patients the advice is individualized. I am putting up this video only to help those cardiac patients who are on lockdown right now and who have many queries in their mind. How do I exercise? How do I go outside? What if my medicines? I'm not left with medicines. So I hope this small talk will help you all to keep your heart healthy and keep away from the coronavirus. Thank you.